ready to make your recruitment process seamless with your own branding, your logo, and colors, directly to your hiring platform. With the EasyJobs white label plan, now you can. Let us learn how to set up white label branding in EasyJobs. This enables you to strengthen your employer brand from the very first interaction. Let's get started. Ensure that the white label plan is activated. First, log into your EasyJobs dashboard. If it's your first time, quickly update your profile picture. Click the drop-down icon in the top right, go to My Account, and click Change. Select your image, adjust it, and hit Save. Now, you remove EasyJobs branding from your career page. Go to Settings and click the Personalize tab. Toggle on the button for Remove Powered By. Let's set up your custom domain for the login page. In the Settings page, select White Label and click the Custom Domain tab. First, follow the steps here to add the required CNAME record in your domain's DNS settings. This happens on your domain provider's site, so you may need to pause here. In the Custom Domain field, you only need to enter the last part of your desired domain URL without the prefix app. As you can see on the screen, the app prefix is automatically added. Now, hit the Save Changes button to activate your domain. Finally, click the Login via Custom Domain button. You'll be sent to your new login page, where you can enter your credentials and sign in. Let's set up your customized branding. To do this, start by navigating to your dashboard, then open the Settings and select the White Label tab. Here, you'll quickly update your visuals, upload your company logo, favicon for the browser tab, and meta image, and then select your dashboard sidebar color. Next, add your site title and tagline, and be sure to click the Save and Continue button. Finally, fill in your branded meta details for search engines and click Save and Continue one last time. And just like that, you have successfully set up your white label branding in EasyJobs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more EasyJobs tips and tutorials.